We're currently testing the beta version of an assisted management with Hummingbird. So a little bit about it. First of all, make sure that your settings are set the way that you would like them. Okay, so make sure for your unfollowing or your following rules are all set up. And then there's a new section for assisted management maintenance. And this is going to be the time that you go in between accounts. And I found that 20 to 30 seconds between accounts is really nice. Um, I actually move my deleting direct messages to 0 as far as time goes, so it goes through a little faster. And then I set my following rules to 0 as well. I've been testing this for actually around a month now, and we're not running into any issues and with Twitter. Then click the X. The next thing you'll click on is assisted maintenance up here. You click that, and you'll notice what it will do is it'll list all of your accounts down through, and you just select whatever accounts that you want to run, and it has follow users who follow me. All right, so that's the follow back. You have unfollow users that do not follow me, uh, and you can click that, and you can click on clean direct messages. All you need to do then is click on start and watch what happens here. It'll just start logging you in. It'll do a delay. You can see here where it's actually telling you what it's doing. So it's waiting 15 seconds. In our test, we found that we needed to have a delay in here before going into the messages because there was something going on with Twitter that wasn't loading the messages. So now it's going through. It's going to now uh, check for the unfollowing. So these are the people that I'm following. And it will start going through and actually checking and going through. I want to skip that task, so I can click on skip current task so it doesn't go through and check all these, because you can see that I didn't have anybody to actually unfollow. Skip current task. All right, and now it's going to follow back. So it's moved to my followers, and it will start following back, and you'll see it change here in a second. There we go. So now it's just following people. Um, it's going through the pages just to check, and it should pretty soon. See, now it's waiting 22 seconds before going to the next account. So it's actually automatically followed 10 people that were following me. It'll go down through it and check. This is a Twitter thing where it tried to follow someone, like you can see right here, it tried to follow that person, and Twitter just had a problem. All right, it's logged me into my next account. It's waiting 15 seconds. It goes through and didn't have any direct messages, so now it's going through here. Now you can also skip the whole user. So if I click on skip current user, it's now just moving into the next thing, and you'll see where it says canceled right here. Okay, and it's real simple. You can simply stop it if you want as well. So now the other really nice thing about this is you can double click and it brings you up this screen. And this screen here, so whatever account it is, so you can see it's that account, I can select date range, click on this week, chart it by the days, click refresh, and it will actually show exactly what Hummingbird has done during that time and what it's done. So, and this will work for any of your accounts. bring up this account, select this week, and you can see exactly what you've done so that you know what days you've actually worked and done your thing. You can go and select as well for like a month, see your month totals. You can customize, get any kind of total you want. The other thing that you can do is you can even do it by hours, so you can see exactly what hour that you did. So if I was to do, let's say that I'm going to just do this week, refresh, so on the 24th. So I'll move to this to the 24th, move this to the 24th, and then change this to hours, click refresh, and it shows me what hour even that I did this. I actually did the following and stuff. So we need to make this definitely a lot bigger. So you can see it was at 8 a.m. on the 24th is when I actually did my work. So if you really want to get your detail, you can get your detail that way as well, and find out exactly what time and what you're doing there. So a couple really nice features going into this. One of the things I really like to do is just go right down through and clean up my messages, make sure I follow people back and stuff, and then I set my time to do my unfollows at a little different time because it takes longer to do the unfollow because it has to go through and check. If Hummingbird has done the check and everything before, then it will do it a little faster. But the first few times that you're doing this, the other thing I've noticed is if you're doing a lot of automated accounts and doing a lot of work there, that what happens is the cache can build up, so it can slow down. So you want to make sure that you close Hummingbird and restart it at least daily, and sometimes what I'll do is I'll do all the automated tasks and then just close it all down, restart it, and then do my individual work for following people and actually building my account after I've done my automated work. So I'm really excited about this assistant maintenance. It really has been working well. It's in beta test right at the moment. If you would like to activate it on your current version, send an email to support at hummingbirdfortwitter.com, and I'll show you exactly how to activate it. Within a week, we'll probably have it to where it's just standard, so you don't have to go anything to activate it, and it will be part of our Hummingbird program. Have a great day.